This is the first in a series of videos that will explain the structure of Igbo verbs. I think that understanding verbs makes understanding Igbo so much easier. In this first video, we'll be looking at 10 verbs in the infinitive form. The infinitive form just means that the verb hasn't been changed to match the subject in a sentence, or it hasn't been changed into a verb tense like present tense, past tense, future tense, and everything else that can exist. Igbo verbs have more than one part. The first part of the verb is the main verb. It's the part that is equivalent to saying to be, to do, to happen, to occur. After the main verb, there's the complement. We can use this part of the verb to answer questions like to do what, to do something, to be who, to be someone. Finally, the last part of an Igbo verb is an adverb. For this series, we're only going to focus on one type of adverb, and that's the participle or cognate. We'll need this part of the verb when we start conjugating the verb into different tenses. The participle is almost identical to the main verb. The only difference is the prefix. Igbo verbs in the infinitive form start with e or e. Participles start with a or e, depending on the vowel at the end of the verb stem. If the main verb ends in a, e, o, or o, then the participle starts with a. And if the main verb ends in e, o, or u, then the participle starts with e. When it acts as an adverb, the participle is used to emphasize the meaning of the main verb. It's like saying really or indeed. To do something, indeed. To be someone, indeed. Not all Igbo verbs need the main verb, the complement, and the cognate or participle all at the same time to make sense. But sometimes the main verb doesn't make sense without the complement, or sometimes many verbs have the same main verb and it's the complement that gives them a different meaning. Now that you understand parts of an Igbo verb, let's look at 10 Igbo verbs in their infinitive form. Igba, igba, also, to run. I've highlighted the end of the main verb and the beginning of the participle to show you how they coordinate. Igba ọsọ agba. Ịga, ịga ije, to walk. Ịga ije aga. Inwe, inwe ego, to have money. Inwe ego enwe. Ime, ime ihe, to do something. Ime ihe eme. Iri, iri nri, to eat food. Iri nri eri. Ichi, ichi ọchị, to laugh. Ichi ọchị achị. Ibido, ibido ọrụ, to begin work. Ibido ọrụ ebido. Ịchọ, ịchọ ihe, to want something or to seek something. Ịchọ ihe achọ. Ikwu, ikwu okwu, to speak or to talk. Ikwu okwu ekwu. Ịkụ, ịkụ aka, to clap or to knock. Ịkụ aka akụ. Here are all the verbs again. Ịgba ọsọ, ịga ije, ime ihe, inwe ego, iri nri, ịchị ọchị, ibido ọrụ, ịchọ ihe, ikwu okwu, ịkụ aka. Next, we'll be changing them into different verb tenses and into different verb moods.